Do you want to know the secret? My family says the shrimp and pork wonton soup tastes even better than any restaurant. Ready in 30 minutes. In a bowl, add ginger and scallions. Pour in warm water. Mix until the flavors are released. Remove the ginger and scallions. Have you tried infused water? It makes the filling extra juicy and aromatic, perfect for both wontons and dumplings. Place ground pork in a food processor with salt, white pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, cornstarch, and infused water. Mix until smooth. Add the deveined shrimp and roughly combine them. Add scallions and stir until well combined. This is a game-changing trick. Place the pastry bag in a glass and fill it with the filling. Tie the opening and cut open the tip. By using a pastry bag, you can wrap wontons faster than ever. Add some water around the edges of a wonton wrapper. Place the wrapper flat. Squeeze the filling from the pastry bag in the center. Bring one opposite corner together. Pinch and seal. Repeat with the rest. It takes less than 5 seconds to make each wonton. That's more than 24 wontons in 2 minutes. Wow! In a pot over high heat, bring unsalted chicken stock to a boil. Season it with salt, soy sauce, sesame oil, and white pepper. We're gonna set this aside for later. In a pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. Place the Shanghai bok choy in it and blanch for about 30 seconds. Remove. In the pot over medium heat, bring water back to a boil. Add the wontons inside. Stir gently and boil for about 2 minutes. Here's another secret trick. Pour about 1 cup of room temperature water into the pot to prevent the wontons from breaking apart before they are fully cooked through. Cook the wontons for another 2 minutes until translucent and completely cooked through. Scoop the wontons into a bowl. Add the soup and Shanghai bok choy. And that's it! The wontons are tender, juicy, and bursting with flavors. The soup is savory and perfectly aromatic. This is why my family can't get enough of it. If you would like to see more awesome ways to wrap wontons, check out the video right here. Absolutely delicious! And if you would like to get a copy of my cookbook, check the description. And subscribe, follow, and like for more 30 minutes and less Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!